Hey, I hope all of you are doing really great. You have a great weekend so far, and you're enjoying with yourselves. So basically, in today's video, we are going to talk about and we are going to see about how to build autoresponder for your cold email outreach. So basically, what this flow is going to do is like first we will connect the email from which you want to send a reply to your prospect whoever has replied to your cold outreach, right? And then we connect chat gpt. So basically I already have created this flow in order to show you like how it will look like, right? So basically once you train your gpt, so basically there are multiple multiple training module in that. So once you do that, it will be good enough chat gpt will be good enough to create a message. So basically the first step is like to generate responses. Then we will extract the email from those responses, right? Basically, so that is the second part. And the third part is like send an email, right? So this is very simple but effective workflow that you can build for your own cold outreach system. And then you can save maybe 1 or 2 hours of time replying all of those cold outreach responses, right? So yeah, this is for that. Okay, so I hope like you know what I'm talking about. So basically let's start building this workflow from the scratch. First, one thing that I just wanted to know, I wanted to let you know is that this system is like a really effective and high ROI system, because here like you are using AI to generate responses for your cold email, and then you are sending it straight away, right? So basically it is like saving you a time that you may spend on other things, right? And again, it is a small part of the automated lead generation system. So yeah, it's not a full system, but yeah, we will see that as well in the upcoming videos. So now the first step is let's start with creating a workflow, right? So for that, just go to mac.com and log in or sign up with your credential, and then now click on create scenario. The first thing is like to get email, right? Or watch email. Okay, yeah. So the first step is like to watch email, and the folder here you have to choose the folder in which you are getting emails. Basically if you have set up in a way like that all of those cold outreach responses are you are getting in a specific folder, you can choose that folder. But in for this video purpose of this video, and in our case we are getting it in inbox, right? So we are going to choose inbox. We are going to choose all email, sender email, okay? And the phrase, no, we are not going to choose anything right of now. As of now, maximum number of results, for now I'm choosing 2. So right now we don't want to get all the emails because we are like creating it for a testing purpose, right? So let's select. Okay, now select the first, check on the select the first email so that you can get yeah. So this is the email that we have got just few minutes back, maybe. Yeah, so now if you can just run this particular module, it will show you the content from that email, right? Like this. Now let's to generate responses, response from that email. For that email, let's connect chat gpt, openai. Let's use create a completion model here. And okay, so like if you are doing it for the first time, you need to add a connection and you have to add API key here, right? So basically to create API key, just go to platform.openai.com/API key, log in with your credential basically. So okay, yeah, basically looks like okay. So yeah, so this is the API that we have created for meek.com basically. So yeah, but again, like if you want to create a new API, just go to API keys, create a new secret API. But one thing that you have to keep in mind is that it's not free, right? So basically, if you just come to billing, I think my balance is about to finish. So basically I'm going to add maybe more $30 to $40, but yeah, you have to basically recharge your account before you use anything here, right? So yeah, do that, and once you created your API, just copy that API and then paste it here, organization ID. So basically okay, so basically just okay, just go over settings. In general, you will find this organization ID and just put that organization ID to this one, right? So because I already have added this connection to meek.com, so basically yeah, let's choose a model for that. I'm kind of like using GPT-4 every time whenever like I'm using it in meek.com or in general. Again, GPT-4 Turbo we can use, but again the output is not that quality, right? So of course, like GPT-4 is much like little bit slower than GPT-4 Turbo, but the output is like quite better than GPT-4 Turbo. So that's the reason we are going to use this one. Maximum token, we are going to use 300 for this. Maybe I think it will not use many tokens because we are performing heavy, we are not like doing any heavy lifting here, right? So the first message we are going to use system, right? So basically let's copy everything from here because basically I don't want to like waste my and your time by doing it manually everything, because we already have this one, so we can use this. But basically I'll show you once I copy pasted this one why I'm using this particular thing, right? So first let's do that. User, okay. So basically what we are doing is like we are actually training the ChatGPT to generate response in a certain way, so that we are getting a desired output, right? Yeah, user and text content, got it. Okay. Now let's understand each and everything. So first role that I'm assigned is like system, and I'm I'm putting that, hey ChatGPT, you are an intelligent email assistant, right, for me, so that your job is to like generate high quality email responses to the messages that we are getting. Right now again, it's not enough, right? You need to give context, you need to provide quite couple of examples, like what type of responses we want, right? So for that we are dumping a prompt into it. So like prompt, it is like we are dumping it as an user and saying it to ChatGPT that we want output in a certain way, right? So basically, let's say you're monitoring and sales inbox that receives inquiry for a coaching offer that I run. Your task is to digest a sales email and produce high quality customized response in return. Make sure the responses are Spartan in nature. Don't use any freely language and subject in email body. Right now, Again, you can replace it with your own niche and industry. Let's say you are catering to a SaaS industry, right? So you can inquire for a SaaS offer that I run. You would ask to digest a sales email for the high quality customized responses for B2B SaaS companies in return. You can add that as well. The next step is like we are providing example to the ChatGPT that okay, we are getting this type of responses, right? This type of responses in our email. Again, then the assistant, now here this is the kind of response that we need. Hey Harsh, this is the first name basically. This is a name. Hey Harsh, hey Harsh here. Thanks for reaching out, and I really appreciate your interest in my high ticket SEO offer. Happy to help you to get started. I just let someone on my team know about this. I think we are missing something here about this, and they will give you a call in a couple of hours to dive into detail. Looking forward to working with you, right? This is the kind of content, that kind of response that we need. And again, we are providing a text that we are getting from the emails that we are going to receive, right? So yeah, that's it. I think token you can set maybe 400 or 500, but yeah, I'm setting it 300 for now. Yeah, and you don't need to care about this one. I think I'll set it up 0.8 as of my experience, but again, yeah, you don't need to care about these things in advance. Settings, click OK, and now maybe you can run this one and click this response and get response, right? And see what type of output it is generating for us. Perfect. Okay. Yeah. Hey, hi Hers. Thanks for your interest in our high ticket monthly SEO offer. To get started, our team will reach out to you at Hers and in the next few hours to discuss details and next steps. We look forward to helping you with your SEO need. Perfect. This is really great email in the first go. Of course, it's not a perfect. We can still provide some more example and training to make it perfect, but again, that's up to you, like however way you want to train it, you can do that. But again, I don't want to stretch this video too long, right? The next step is like to send email. Right now, let's do that. Again, there's one problem, I think. Okay, send folder to, oh, so this is the problem. I think we do not have and in let's do that in text. Everything is perfect. Yeah, okay, let's add another module to extract emails from this one and then use this one as a reference point, right? You're an intelligent email assistant. Let's do that. Let's use GPT-4. Add a message, add an assistant with pretty much basically the same steps. It's just that I don't want to like waste time here, right? It's very simple. You just need to extract email, right? So for that, just put this instruction, and in the last one, right, provide type of email that we are getting, and then boom, assistant. Yeah. So like once you started doing things like this, pretty much regularly, you will you will have a habit of like putting out this, and it is like your muscle memory, right? You don't need to think about it once you started doing that. So basically, okay, now let's run this one. Okay. Oh, okay, yeah. Hmm. Oh, yeah. We got this one. Let me run this one as well. Oh, to give it a okay. So one thing that we forgot is like giving text content, right? The user, and yeah. Okay. So this is the email that we this is the sample email that we have got, right? Do this one and see if we can get email or not. Okay. Oh yeah, we got that, right? If you can see, we extracted the email out of that. So that's great. Now we can set it up, right? Okay. Okay, let's put anything for now, and yeah. So sometimes what happened basically like to refresh the model, you have to click OK, and then if you open it again, everything is refreshed and you will get the data from the previous model, right? So that's how you can get it. So if you can see, we already get the data from the previous model. So email is this one. Perfect. I'll talk to you soon. This is the message content basically. Yeah, and we are good to go. Right now, let's name this model, rename this model to extract emails, right? Generate responses. Perfect. Now run this model. Okay, so basically, yeah, and see if you can get the email on this one. Oh, it's look like we got run into error basically. Oh man, what happened? Oh, choose where to start. Okay, let's choose first email. I think it picked a wrong one basically. Okay, let's pick this one. Got it. Yep, and then start running it. So this time it should run successfully. Yep, and we yeah, see, so we got the email. Okay, right, so yeah, subject is maybe I think we can get rid of the subject in the email. Let's do that as well. Hi Hers, thank you for your interest in our high ticket earlier. To get started, our team will be reaching out to you shortly at the email provided. They will guide you through the onboarding process and answer any question you might have. Look forward to working with you. Perfect. Maybe it's not perfect, but still we can do some optimization to the responses, right? But again, let's get rid of this subject line. Yeah, basically, it looks like we already have. Let's give it example. Yeah. Okay, perfect. Let's start. Let's run it again. Okay. Now we should get rid of the subject line. Maybe. Let's see how it goes. Yep. Oh no, it is not responding to the. Yeah. Maybe I think we can do some more thing. Okay, let me. Maybe we can. Okay, we can add some more example. Yeah. Okay. Thanks for reaching out. I will let someone in. Dive into details. Looking forward to working with you. Shish. Sure. Yeah. Okay, this is perfect. Let's run it one more time and see what kind of response we get. Okay. Okay. Oh, still we are not. Okay. Let's see if it will work or not this time. Let's choose the email that we have received from the as developer. Okay, let's start. And let's wait for the email actually. Give it refresh. Oh yeah, so see, this time we got response. We got really good response. Great to hear from you and interest in our here. To get started, we'll arrange a call with a member of our team to discuss the details and the next step. Expect a call within next couple of hours. Looking forward to working with you. Best your name again. This is still you can modify it. You can train the model to give you the exact type of email that you want, right? You can add some more 3 to 4 more examples so that you get a hang of like what type of email you want AI to generate, ChatGPT to generate, right? So basically, yeah, I think that's it. I think we built a very robust and high ROI system that will help you to like uh, generate responses from a cold email and then send it on the behalf of you. Again, I think we got into some errors, maybe because of the emails that we have selected, but yeah, this is a system that I think help you to save tons of your time. So yeah, do let me know like if you like this video and if you like this type of practical and informative videos or not, and also like if you have watched this video to this point, like this video and subscribe my channel. And if you have any particular scenario in your mind that you want me to create, please do comment and I will definitely try to incorporate that into my videos. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.